what I'm going to do, all right, is I'm going to put your information right here for a sec. I want you to turn around and put your hands on. Don't you do it, buddy.
Have you ever wondered how a simple traffic stop can turn into a life or death situation in just seconds? This is not just another routine police encounter. What you're about to see is real body cam footage, raw, intense, and shocking. A deputy pulls over a van on a quiet Indiana highway. But within moments, the suspect reaches for a deadly weapon, and the officer must make a split-second decision. This is the real story of what happened in Jasper County, Indiana, on January 26, 2025. Watch till the end, because what happens next will leave you speechless.
Good. How are you today?
Pretty well.
The reason I'm pulling yours for 70 and a 55. Any reason for going that fast today?
No, sir, I was just keeping up with traffic.
Okay, fair enough. You got your license and registration on you?
Can I put it in park?
Yeah. Where you coming from today?
Church and my mom's cemetery.
Okay.
I just want to let you know that I'm a January 6th defendant.
What do you mean?
I stormed the Capitol and waited on my pardon.
Really?
Yeah, and I can't really afford to get in any trouble right now.
Okay, I understand.
Okay,
I
am driving without a license right now.
Okay, so why are you doing that then?
Well, I have to. I've been waiting for my hardship license. I just moved back from Idaho.
Okay.
And I had to move back here because my federal case.
Okay.
So I'm just in the middle of everything right now.
So with your federal case, why would you have to move back to Indiana?
Well, I had pending traffic violations, and I had to live in Indiana in order to qualify for the hardship license, but they didn't tell me that until I got my federal case, so I moved back to get my license.
Okay, all right. Well, let me see your license here. Okay. How many times have you been caught driving without a license?
In my life?
No, just recently. Like, how many have you been caught with the suspended driver's license before?
Yeah, but it hasn't been for years, long time.
Okay. All right, Matt, hang tight for me, okay, and I'll get back with you, all right? Okay. Actually, you know what? Do you have the registration for your vehicle?
I just bought this. I have the title in here.
Okay. Is that a corgi back there?
This was a Senji.
Okay.
Rescue dog.
Okay. All right. All right, Matt, hang tight for me, okay, buddy? Hey, Matt, you want to go ahead and shut your vehicle off and step back here with me real quick?
Yep.
Go ahead and shut it off for me, please.
Am I under arrest or anything?
We'll come back here, I'll explain everything to you, okay? So I'm going to hold on to this real quick while I explain it to you. Okay, so today you're getting off with a verbal warning for the speed. However, you're a habitual traffic violator.
I know.
Which means that you are at a felony status for driving while suspended. So today you are going to come with me.
Well, I can't.
You're going to have to, okay? You're going to come with me today, all right?
No, I can't go to jail for this, sir.
You're going to have to come.
Can I get a ride?
No.
Are you sure?
I'll
violate my...
Just listen to me, okay? Number one, it's a felony offense. There's no leeway with felonies in the state of Indiana. Now, maybe if it was a misdemeanor offense, I could work something out with you, but it's not a misdemeanor. It's a felony offense, okay? So that's why I can't work with you today with it, okay? I understand your circumstances, but you understand that you can't drive. Okay, so your driving has resulted into this situation. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do, all right, is I'm going to put your information right here for a sec. I want you to turn around and put your hands on. Don't you do it, buddy. No.
I'm shooting myself.
No.
The driver, Matthew Heddle, 42, from Hobart, Indiana, claimed he had a presidential pardon for his role in the January 6th Capitol riots. After learning Heddle was a habitual traffic violator with a suspended license, the deputy attempted to arrest him. But Heddle said, "I can't go to jail," and made a run for his van. He reached under the seat and grabbed a 9mm pistol. The deputy fired multiple shots, fatally striking Heddle on the spot. A gun and methamphetamine were later found in the van. The shooting was ruled justified. This tragic encounter ended in death, a life lost, and a reminder of how quickly situations can escalate. Law enforcement must make split-second decisions. In this case, the use of force was ruled justified. Stay alert, stay informed. This is True Patrol, bringing you real stories from the front lines.